guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing a review on DecoArt acrylic paints and a pouring medium that I received from DecoArt themselves. They were very kind to send me these products to try because they've added a few new colors to their range, and I thought let me give it a try and also record my review so everyone else who is thinking of buying the pouring medium from DecoArt or the Amercana range of acrylic paints, you know what you're getting into. So I've never used this before, and I'm going to try and see what it produces. And with this I'm also going to be using my silicone oil, treadmill silicone oil, a few drops of those in each pour. I'm going to be doing a swipe, and then over my swipe I will paint something over that because that's what I like to do. So this is just under a half a liter, 473 milliliters of pouring medium in here. I don't know how far this will go, but I'm going to give it a try. So don't go anywhere. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. So these are the colors that I've chosen for my swipe. They are Ultra Blue Deep, which is that one. This one is Bluegrass Green. I've got Desert Turquoise, Purple Pizzazz, and the last one is Cadmium Yellow. So I chose these colors for my swipe, and I'm also going to be, for the swipe I'm going to be using the ready mix paint. It's just a craft paint, and I've added some water in here to make it a little more fluid for the swipe. And I'm going to now add my pouring medium in here, and I opened this earlier and the consistency is runnier than Floetrol, but I'm going to try this anyway and see what happens. So I'm going to add maybe just a bit more than I've added paint in there. I think this might be too thin for pouring, but I'm going to try it. Add 2 drops of silicone oil in each color. So the way I want to create this canvas is at the end when it's dried and I want to paint an image over this or whatever I want to paint over, I want to do it in 2 halves. So the top half I'm going to swipe that way, and the bottom half I'm going to swipe across. Wow, that is nice. See, all these cells have popped up without using any torch. The colors are so beautiful, and I think it's a great product to use, you know, an alternative to people who can't get Floetrol. The cells are just amazing. There you go, it's a closer look to that. And I used a comb this time to swipe because I wanted to get a little bit more texture. And I'd also seen another artist on YouTube using a comb, so I thought that's a good idea, and it inspired me to use one as well. And it's given me a great result so far. So I'm going to do the other half because, as I said, I want to paint over this and create a different piece of art, so let's see. So even on this one, guys, you can see there's a lot of cells popped up everywhere. No torching. Maybe if I use the torch there'd be more cells, but at the moment I don't have access to a torch, so I've not used one. But you can still see the result of the DecoArt pouring medium that I used. DecoArt pouring medium is good. I'd say you know, anyone who wants to invest in that. I'm not sure how much it costs at the moment, but I'm sure it's readily available you know, online now. So let me show you what it looks like, what I've done here. So guys, I'm not sure how this is going to dry, if the cells hold. I mean, the cells are there, it's beautiful, but the cells are not defined. They're kind of like, if you see this one here, it's kind of stretched, and you know, I don't know how it's going to dry. So, but anyway, it's a nice medium. It does the job, and the colors, the Amercana DecoArt the new range of colors are really nice, I think. So I'm gonna produce a piece of art on top of this, so hopefully I should add this to the video as well, so stay tuned, guys. And of course, leave me your thoughts, your comments on you know, what you think, if you've used this pouring medium before, you know, what your views are on this pouring medium. But I think it's pretty good. It's a little more liquid than what we're used to, like the PVA glue or the Floetrol. I haven't really used golden fluid acrylic pouring medium, so I'm not sure on that part, but this one here, so far, this is what it looks like. So I do apologize about my sometimes out of focus videos. That's because I suffer from an eye condition called keratoconus, and it's hard for me to kind of see what I'm painting sometimes because I can't focus, and I can't focus the camera and think it's clear. I think it's clear, but to the viewers it's not, and I do apologize about that. But you know what, that's life, so let's get on with it. and just, you know, I just needed to add that because I have got a lot of comments by viewers saying it's out of focus. Well, now you know why it's out of focus, but you know what, that's fine. So let me know, guys, and also you know, subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. Thanks, guys. Until my next video, take care. Bye.